from FTC Team 18-18-3 Rounded Cube. And today we are going to be making an explosion with magic milk. We will need 1 large plate of full fat milk, some food coloring, Dawn dish soap, and some cotton swabs. Step 1. Pour your full fat milk into the large plate. Step 2. Add a few drops of food coloring. Use as many colors as you like. The more the merrier. Step 3. Use a cotton swab to touch the dish soap. Bring it over to your milk dish and gently touch the surface of the milk with the soapy cotton swab. Be careful not to use too much. Milk is made up of minerals, proteins, and fats. Proteins and fats are susceptible to changes. When the dish soap is added to the milk, those soap molecules run around and try to attach to the fat molecules in the milk. You wouldn't see these molecules running around without the food coloring. The food coloring looks like fireworks because it is getting bumped around.